Guys, when I first started making videos, wireless microphones were either really expensive or really unreliable. They drop out, pick up interference from just about everything, and if you forgot to charge them, well, game over. But fast forward to today and things have moved on a lot. Today we're taking a look at the NEEWER CM28 Pro microphone system, and I have to say this might be just the best budget wireless microphone system I've tested so far. It's compact, has dual transmitters, records internally, and even comes with a charging case, all for a fraction of what you'd pay for a Rode or a DJI system. So let's see if it actually lives up to the hype. Stick around, I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, I've tested a fair few wireless microphone systems over the years, from the classic Rode Wireless Go to the Go 2 and some of the DJI microphones, and even some of the lesser known budget ones that barely held together. This one caught my eye. Why? Because it promises a lot for the money. You get 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, a charging case that juices them up twice, internal recording on each microphone, proper 48 kilohertz uncompressed audio. I mean, basically everything you'd normally associate with a premium setup, but for less than a third of the price. Now, before we get into it, guys, NEEWER reached out and asked me to take a look at this CM28 Pro wireless microphone system and to give it my honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. First up, guys, open the box and we've got the all-important paperwork. And guys, I definitely recommend a quick read of this, as the CM28 Pro system has got a lot of features to get acquainted with. Next, we get the charging case, and I've got to say, this feels pretty solid. It's compact and has a nice bit of weight to it, and it's got a built-in battery so you can recharge your mics and receiver on the go, in fact, twice over. Then guys, you get a nice little pouch which houses a bunch of accessories, and honestly, NEEWER's packed this set pretty well. You've got a 3.5mm TRS cable for cameras, you've got a TRRS cable for smartphones, and they've even included both USB-C and Lightning cables, so you're covered whether you want to use an Android or an iPhone. You also get 2 little furry windshields for recording outside, which is great for cutting down wind noise, and you get a couple of magnetic clips which are brilliant if you want to hide the mic behind your shirt. And lastly guys, there's the USB-C charging cable. And then guys, you have that all-important charge case which has got the 2 transmitters and the receiver housed in it. Each transmitter has its own controls. It's got onboard recording, and the receiver has its own LCD display which gives you all of the info you need: battery, signal, connection status, recording mode, and noise reduction. There's a single button that handles that noise cancelling and mute. 1 click for noise cancelling, a long press for mute. Dead simple. And that noise reduction is actually pretty impressive. It's not aggressive to the point of sounding artificial, but it definitely knocks down ambient hum, wind, or general outdoor noise. It's perfect if you're vlogging outside or recording in a busy environment. And one of the features that really sold me is the built-in 4 GB of storage on each transmitter. That means you can record straight to the mic itself, completely wire-free. It will capture around 9 hours of uncompressed 48 kilohertz WAV audio split into 30-minute files. And if your camera drops connection or interference hits, you've still got a clean backup file on the microphone. Also guys, you can export in mono, stereo or MS mode, which is the mono with a safety track, depending on whether you want both transmitters mixed or separated, which is great for interviews or podcasts. And this sound is full range. It's warm and actually usable audio straight off the mic. Now, one of the nicest things about wireless mics is, of course, the freedom not to be tied to your camera. And NEEWER claim a 200-meter range, which in ideal conditions is huge. In real life, you probably get around 100 meters line of sight, which is still more than enough for pretty much any shoot. Now, let's go outside and do a quick sound test. Here's a transmitter, so I'm going to switch these over in just a second. But obviously, you can see that I'm standing about 6 inches, 8 inches, something like that away from the camera and the microphone, and the audio is probably fairly clear. Now if I start to move away, then obviously the audio starts to get a lot quieter. So here I'm probably about 10 foot away, 8 foot away, something like that now, and as I get closer, of course, the audio is going to get louder. Benefit of wireless: you don't have to be standing right by the camera, right? So I can wander around, I can move about and do whatever I want to do, and I'm not tied to actually being this close to the camera in order that this microphone picks up decent audio. So these, I've put the windsock on because it's a little bit windy out here, but these microphones either have a clip, so you can kind of clip it onto your clothes just like that, or they actually feature this little magnetic, I don't know if you can see this. Oh, it actually flicked it away because opposites attract, right? So yeah, there you go. You can hear that click. For that, let's try it again. That's pretty strong. And the idea of that is you just put this behind if you don't want to clip anything on, and you're fixed on. So there you go. Now I'm going to switch these microphones over and you can hear what this sounds like. If I move away from the camera, this is where I was before, the audio should stay pretty consistent. In fact, if I move away from the camera altogether, then the audio should still be consistent. And that is the beauty of wireless. I'm also going to try and put the noise cancellation on to see what that sounds like. So let's give that a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if that's making any difference, but I'm not a big fan of noise cancellation. I prefer to deal with it afterwards in post, in the edit. But anyway, I don't know what that sounds like. I'm going to switch it back now. So we should be back to now using non-noise cancellation. Anyway, let's get back into the studio and see what all of this sounds like. There you have it, guys. And when it comes to ensuring your recording is on track, the receiver has a 3.5mm headphone jack so you can monitor audio live. It's a small thing, but such a lifesaver if you're doing interviews or filming solo. Also, you've got 3 recording modes, as I said. You've got the mono, stereo, and you've got mono plus safety, where it records a second track at a lower level just in case you clip your audio. Again, that's a feature you'd expect on a much pricier system. So guys, there you have it. To be honest, I didn't expect much when I first opened the box. I've tried so many budget wireless microphone systems that promise the world and deliver, well, not a lot. But this one has genuinely impressed me. The NEEWER CM28 Pro packs dual transmitters, built-in internal storage, long battery life, noise cancellation, all housed in a proper charging case with a stable range and solid audio quality to tie it all together. And for the price, that's ridiculous value. Would I pick this over a Rode or DJI? Well, if you're a professional who's out filming every day, maybe not. But if you're a creator, vlogger, podcaster, or small business shooting content, this is absolutely spot on. Reliable, compact, and genuinely easy to use. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can pick up this CM28 Pro set for around £95, which compared to others is an absolute steal. I'll leave any links and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to NEEWER for sending me these cool wireless mics to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.